The PS5 Slim can become stuck after a controller update. And there are several reasons why this happens. A firmware conflict may occur when the system firmware does not sync correctly with the updated controller, causing the console to freeze. To fix this, try restarting the console by long pressing the power button until it beeps twice, which should force a reboot and clear any temporary glitches. Another possible issue is a controller connection problem, where the update disrupts the connection between the controller and the console, making it unresponsive. This can be resolved by connecting the controller to the console using a USB cable and restarting both devices. In some cases, a software glitch may cause the system to become stuck after an update. To address this, boot the PS5 Slim into safe mode by turning it off and then holding the power button until you hear 2 beeps. From safe mode, select Rebuild Database to solve any underlying issues. By trying these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to fix your stuck PS5 Slim after a controller update.